Hello. So I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of the new module, which is the content queue in the software. So let's get started. You can click on the third icon, that is content queue, and it would take you to this screen. What it actually does is you create a queue, and you in the queue you select all the social media pages and accounts, and then you create a schedule, and then you connect your blog or your website RSS feed with the queue. And what it will do, it would fetch a fresh post from your RSS feed twice a day, and it would save that in a queue, and the software will take the post from the queue and will post them to your social media account according to the schedule you have set um, on automatically. So let's get started. First you have to do is create a new queue. For example, I will name the queue CNN News. And for the timing, you can see two types of queues. One is blog and one is e-commerce. So for now you have to click on blog, and here you can select the days on which days you want software to post or publish content on your social media accounts. So let's say I select I want on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, like on the weekdays, not on the weekend. And then how many times you want to post on each day. For example, I say I want to post 4 times, and then I can select the time, for example 5 a.m., and then it's 9 a.m., other one at 1 p.m., and then the last one at 4 p.m. So now I have created a schedule with the days and time. I have entered the name of the queue. I will just click on save configuration. Oh, it says I have to select the account. So here you can see your Facebook and Twitter accounts. Right now the new module works for Facebook and Twitter, and we are working on adding more accounts like LinkedIn and Tumblr and Reddit. So those will be added in the next few days. So just select on the account. For example, I can select my Facebook page, I can select a Twitter account, and then I can click on save configuration, and it says queue is added successfully, and it will take me back to the home screen. Now what I have to do is I'll take an RSS feed. It could be your website RSS feed. I'm just taking one from CNN for an example. I would there is an example RSS feed here as well for the WordPress website. For the WordPress, all you have to do is write down the website URL and slash feed. So it would this is the feed that is automatically auto generated by WordPress. So I'm just gonna paste my feed address that I took from CNN and click verify. As you can see, it has fetched like 15-20 posts for now, and I will click on auto configuration. As you can see, in auto configuration there is an option to select the queues. Right now I only have one which I just created, so I just click select the queue, and I will click add to queue, and it says the settings have been saved and 29 posts have been auto queued, like 29 posts have been saved to the queue. And I will click on OK, and I can go to all queues. I can select the type, which is blog. Here is the queue, and I can edit the queue, I can pause, I can remove, and I can even see which posts are in the queue which are yet to be published. And if I go back here and select the queue, I can edit the queue anytime, and select new pages or deselect already selected pages, change the time, change the days, anything. And Another thing that I can do is, for example, if I go to new blog, I take another URL and I click on verify and click on auto configuration, and I can add the same URL to the queue which I created in front of you, like CN News. I will add that to queue. Settings would be saved, and another 29 posts would be saved into the queue. Now, if I go to all queues and select my type, you would see there are two URLs here. So what I am trying to show here is you can actually add multiple URLs. There is no limit for now. You can add multiple URLs in one queue, and it would fetch the post twice a day from the source, and it would make sure the posts are all unique. They are not being repeated, and then they would be published according to the schedule you have just created. For the e-commerce that's ready, I will prepare another video for that. All right, thank you.